Halo sahabat kicau mania, sahabat KOBOY PUNTANG juga. Oke, bagi sahabat yang baru masuk ke channel KOBOY PUNTANG, halo. Semoga sehat ya, limpahkan rezekinya oleh Allah Subhanahu wa taala dan semangat terus. Siap? Oke, ya. Bagi yang baru bergabung bersama KOBOY PUNTANG, jangan lupa ya subscribe, yang ada warna merah itu tombol, klik subscribe-nya, terus klik like-nya, komen ya, biar nanti ada notifikasi, kita bisa berkomunikasi. Oke, sukses selalu ya. Oke, sahabat KOBOY PUNTANG, sahabat kicau mania, saya berbagi pengalaman lagi untuk di burung Murai Batu Alejandro yang saya rawat dari trotol sampai sekarang udah dewasa. Itu apa? Si Alejandro ini waktu trotol itu saya biasakan mandinya itu disemprot ya, disemprot. Nah, sehingga si burung itu tidak terbiasa mandi di tempat keramba mandi ya, tempat sangkar mandi yang keramba lah kalau disebutnya ya, keramba mandi. Nah, di situ makanya susah sekali jadinya, dampaknya tuh sampai udah dewasanya juga susah masuk untuk cara memandikannya ya, karena udah terbiasa dari sejak kecilnya terbiasa dia mandi disemprot. Nah, supaya belajar bisa masuk ke keramba itu mudah caranya. Saya sertakan videonya. Oke? Nah, oke, sebelum kita ke videonya, saya mau bilang juga, kenapa sih kenapa nggak lanjut aja disemprot? Nah, bukan ini ya, satu ya, kita minimal lah untuk menjaga, mengawet sangkarnya lah biar tidak cepat rusak. Intinya seperti itu. Keduanya, burung akan terasa di alam atau kebiasaan dia bisa mandi sendiri. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi burungnya nyaman terus. Sehingga kalau burung nyaman, dampaknya, efeknya itu kicauannya madep pokoknya, sahabat kicau mania. Oke? Biar tidak panjang lebar, kita lihat videonya. Oke? Check it out. Oke, teknik cara mengajarkan burung untuk bisa mandi pertama itu dengan pancingan sederhana. Salah satunya yaitu kita pancing dengan jangkrik serangga.
Hey kid, don't never let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show